Yo guys, what up? It's I, Sizzle, and the Hizzle. Alright, well, I just had a breakthrough, and I was thinking today about this topic. It's the idea of someone driving without a license. Now, before I get into the story, I'm just gonna say that this penny isn't really shiny. It should be shiny, like bling. Anyways, so recently on our radio station, out of all things, they were talking about how Justin Bieber, or whoever he is, was promised by P. Diddy, Sean Puffy Combs. Diddy, what's up, Diddy? If you're watching this, hey, Diddy. But anyways, he promised Bieber that he would let him take his car out for a ride, and if you search on YouTube, you'll find a video of P. Diddy saying that, and Bieber's like this tall, and Diddy's like this tall. So anyways, I guess he was recently spotted in LA with his friends buying yogurt, but they didn't have his car. They had a Lamborghini, which was one of P. Diddy's cars. But it brought to my mind, does Justin have a license? Even if he didn't have a license, does it matter if he has a license? Well, if you have any thoughts on this or anything else regarding him or Diddy or me, just post a comment, post anything you want, and we'll find out more about this story. Get into the story. Alright, peace guys.